After years of over tweezing my eyebrows and waxing, I have pretty much left my eyebrows in horrible shape. Just can't really do much of anything with them. They're thin, the hairs don't grow in right anymore, and there's just, pretty much nothing to shape, as you can see, until I found VenusBrow. I purchased the starter kit, and with that you get the ink pad in brown, and then you also get the left and right eyebrow, I'm calling them stampers. Now, two of the things that I really like is that, number one, without my glasses I can't see the broadside of a barn. So these work really well if you need to wear your glasses, because they fit over. You might have to bring your frames down just a little bit, but it works really well if you do need to wear your glasses. And also because of the stamping and just the way that this is, I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like the natural hairs on your eyebrows. So those two things, I don't have to worry about trying to draw in, my brows, which I'm absolutely horrible about. So seriously, I can ditch the pencil with this. So what you want to do, make sure that you start out with a clean brow. You are not going to want to have, a whole lot of oils or anything. And I just took my glasses off, so I'm lucky if I can see anything, so I'll try to do this by feel as best I can. But you just want to clean your brow area, and I just use a little bit of witch hazel. Just kind of removes any excess oil on my brow. And then we'll dry. Okay. Now, I got the starter kit, but there is a kit that you can buy that has, an eyebrow cleanser, and then the ink pad, the stamps, putting my glasses back on now so I can see. So you'll have all that, and then it has, after you, stamp on your eyebrows, it has a grooming gel or whatever, but like I said, I just got the starter kit. So what we're going to do, and again I am going to do this with my glasses on, because the stampers are created in such a way that you don't have to remove your glasses. So I am just going to kind of move them down a little bit. Now I'm going to start with the first one. I'm going to start with the left eye, and all you're going to do is just press the eyebrow stamper onto the ink pad. Make sure you have that on there. Okay, and then make sure you read the instructions because they'll tell you exactly where you need to start. So you want to start at the end of your brow, and you're just going to lay it on, and then you kind of want to do a rolling motion to the outside. Okay, and as you can see, now I do have a more defined brow. Okay, so I will do the right. Again, just pressing the stamper onto the ink pad and making sure that you do have it coated. There's a couple of times I just didn't press hard enough and didn't have enough ink on there to really make a difference whenever I put it on. So now I'll do the right one, and again just lining it up with the inside of your
brow. And make sure you don't just flatten it on there. All right, you want to make sure that you put it inside first and then rolling to the outside.
Okay. Now, after you have that done, you are going to want to go ahead and, you know, brush your brows. You know, make sure that, you know, you have everything worked in where you need it. So just kind of brush your brows. Yes, I'm using a baby toothbrush because it's a lot softer, you know, I think, than using the eyebrow combs. All right, so again, you know, you're just going to blend your eyebrows, brush them out, and then there you have it. Now for me, this is a little odd in the beginning because I'm so used to, you know, not having that full, you know, eyebrow look. So, but I get lots of compliments, and I actually get women who know me that, you know, and know that I have kind of thin, you know, eyebrows, and, you know, they ask me, how did I get my eyebrows so full? So, VenusBrow is definitely the answer, and I'm very glad that I found it. Thank you, VenusBrow.